Australia's beef industry has been producing quality meat for over 200 years. In 1879, Australia's first frozen meat shipment arrived in London. This new method of low-temperature transportation revolutionised the global meat industry and marked the beginning of Australia's red meat export industry. The integrity of our farmers and ingenuity of our processors, combined with the advantages of an unspoiled environment, have earned Australia its well-deserved reputation for producing some of the best beef in the world. Australia's world-leading meat processing sector has a strong emphasis on food safety, which is enforced by government legislation. Even before the cattle leave the farm or feedlot, animal welfare and food safety practices are followed. At the meat processing plant, hygiene and safety are rigorously pursued under the supervision of the resident Australian Quarantine and Inspection Service inspectors. Only Australian government-registered meat processing plants are permitted to export red meat. All export plants must be accredited by AusMeat, the industry's standards organisation. To be accredited, the processor must have approved quality management systems that ensure consistent quality and accurate product description. AusMeat regularly monitors accredited processors to check on the levels of compliance with its standards and to ensure that the AusMeat language is being accurately applied. Stringent hygiene inspections and testing are carried out at all stages of the slaughtering process and on all personnel, tools and equipment that come into contact with meat surfaces. Inspection programs are based on international risk management tools such as Hazard Analysis Critical Control Points and ISO 9002-1994. Cleanliness is the key to hygiene. Only after all inspection standards have been met is the AQUIS inspection mark stamped on the carcass. Excellent chilling practices are an important component of food safety. Here, the carcasses are placed in computer temperature controlled refrigerators where they are cooled quickly to prevent microbiological growth. Tests are performed regularly. All Australian beef intended for export is classified using AusMeat. Qualified AusMeat accredited personnel assess the meat according to various characteristics, including age, meat colour and marbling. Processed, graded and packed into labelled cartons, Australian beef is loaded into refrigerated containers. The container is required to be inspected, then secured with a government seal by inspectors. Intact seals on arrival guarantee the integrity of the consignment at their final destination. A health certificate issued by government inspectors is an official document certifying that the meat conforms to the importing country's food safety standards. Some countries also accept AQUIS's secure electronic certification system in place of paper health certificates. Australia is proud of its food safety record and intends to maintain its world-leading status by continually seeking new ways to improve its systems and procedures.